week 1, day 3. So we'll zoom in. Our first one that we have is 20 times 10 to the third. So you look at this little number up here, and that's to the third power. So that's not saying that you're going to multiply 10 times 3. You're not going to do that. That 3 is saying you're going to multiply 10 3 times. So you need to multiply 10 times 10, which is 100. Remember, when you're multiplying powers of 10, an easy trick is to remember you're multiplying with 2 zeros, so you can just add 2 zeros to your answer. So we've multiplied these two, so we have 1 left. So 100 times 10 is going to equal 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 10 to the third power actually equals 1,000. So I'm just going to make some more room. So we have 10 to the third equals 1,000. And we're going to go ahead and multiply 20 times 1,000. And you can think 2 times 1 is 2. And then we can just add on our zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 20,000. Our next one is 2/4 plus 3/8. Again, we're adding a fraction. So we need to have a common denominator. So our bottom numbers need to match. I know already that 4 can go into 8. So I just need to change my 2/4. So 2/4 times something gets us to 8. So 4 times 2 equals 8. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top the same. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 2/4 and 4/8 are again equivalent fractions. But now I have an 8 here, and I have an 8 here, and I can add them. So 3/8 plus 4/8, bottom number stays the same. 3 plus 4 is 7, so your answer is 7/8. Write the equation for the following statement. Reed is 3 years old. His sister is 4 times older. How old is Reed's sister? So it's telling you exactly what you will do. So Reed is 3. His sister is 4 times older. So we're going to multiply. So 3 times 4 is 12. So Reed's sister is 12 years old. We have round 5 and 67/100ths to the nearest tenth. So you always need to know what place value is your decimal. So to the right of the decimal, you have your tenths place and your hundredths place. So we're going to round this number to the nearest tenth. So when rounding, we want to look to the right, and we have the number 7. And a good rule with rounding is if it's 0 to 4, you stay. But if it's 5 to 9, you're going to go ahead and round that number up. So if we have a 7, that fits in this category. So we're going to round up. So that 6 now becomes a 7. So your answer would be 5 7/10.